Copy.ai affiliate tutorial. Sign up and make money with Copy.ai affiliate program. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about this platform called Copy.ai. Now, Copy.ai is a chatbot where you could ask it several things and it will give you an answer. For example, over here on their sample, you could ask the AI to summarize the latest news on generative AI and simply click on enter. This is very similar to ChatGPT. If you're not familiar with that, it is an amazing AI as well. As you can see, it will produce you amazing results using the internet as well. And you might feel surprised that they have an affiliate program because they're not really a platform or a genre that would typically have an affiliate program. But they do, and this is their page over here. To be able to apply for affiliate partnership with Copy.ai, these are the different information that you're going to require. So let's start with the first part. How does the Copy.ai affiliate work? How it works is that you will get your link, and when you share your link and someone opens that link and uses Copy.ai to achieve their goals, you will be able to earn 45%. They will send payments via PayPal on the 1st and 15th of each month. The current commission rate is 45% of a paying user's first year of subscription payments. Now, you will only be able to get money when someone who uses Copy.ai actually subscribes to a plan, for example, over here. Now, for me, I could use it absolutely for free, but if you invited someone or if you managed to attract someone who would upgrade to, let's say, Pro over here, you will be able to get at least 45% of $36 over here. Although this is for the first year, so you would get the 45% of $432, which is this one over here. You can see it. That is how much you will be able to earn. And there's a lot of different ways where you could share your link. There are different methods. You could create videos, you could create blogs. The method depends on how you would like to share it. And as you can see here, you could share the ready-made marketing materials or create your own videos to show your audience how they can use Copy.ai to achieve their goals. So you could use or do any of this method over here. And if you're someone new and you don't know how to really promote, you could use the ready-made material. But if you are someone who would like to explore and create your own videos, you could follow later on where I'm going to show you like an idea on how you could promote it as well. Scrolling down, here is why you love being a Copy.ai affiliate. They will explain to you why you should stay or you should become an affiliate because as you can see, it has a high earning potential. The current commission rate is 45% like I said, and the current price monthly is $49. So after 10 referrals, you will be able to get $220 monthly. And that is the potential that you will be able to earn if you are able to successfully invite 10 people. So, to promote a revolutionized new tool built on top of the world's most advanced AI language model, Copy.ai is helping thousands of people turbocharge their creativity and blowing minds in the process. You will be promoting an amazing tool and helping other people as well. You will be able to get insiders updates and resources. So as a Copy.ai's partner, they will help you every step of the way with answers, resources, and support for anything you need. These are like samples of some promotional for Copy.ai. As you can see, these are videos in YouTube that have been using Copy.ai, and they are technically Copy.ai's affiliate partners. You can see here. So what is Copy.ai? Their mission is to create a powerful AI copywriting tool that can help marketers and business owners write all the copy they need for their business. Their affiliate program plays an important part in helping them distribute this powerful marketing tool. So basically, they will use us and the program to promote their products and expand their reach so that more and more people will be using their platform as well. So to apply, simply click on apply to be a partner over here. Clicking this will redirect you to another page. You see here, so simply wait for it and you're going to see, here we go. But unfortunately, right now, it is currently closed. But if ever you try on your own, simply try and refresh it. Maybe for you, you will be able to get inside. But right now, unfortunately, it is currently closed for me, so I can't demonstrate or show you the process. But that is how you will be able to access it. Maybe in the future, they will open it up. So if you find this video, try again at the current time that you're watching, maybe it will be open. So let's explain how you can promote it. We already saw here on their example that a lot of YouTube videos have been promoting it. So the most common one is you're simply going to record yourself using the platform and demonstrating its different features. Like for example, you're going to show how you could use the attach feature over here, browse prompts feature, and no brand voice feature over here. That's the most basic way to promote a platform, by simply using it, demonstrating it to other people, and explaining the potential it can have. You could also create random videos. Like it mentioned earlier, it will provide you with ready-made marketing materials, but you can also create your own videos with this, and you're not really required also to use your own voice. The method that I mentioned, wherein you demonstrate the process, typically uses using your own voice. But there's also a method where you don't need to really show your method, or really show your voice, but simply record the screen, go to Canva or any platform that you have, select the specific video format that you want to promote it on. For example, in YouTube, of course, you're going to have to use this video format over here. If you want to upload it on Facebook, you're going to have to use the Facebook video. If you want to promote it on Instagram, there's also Instagram Reels. There's also TikTok video available over here. For example, I would like to promote this platform on our TikTok video over here. So if you select that, you will be able to use a platform or a format over here, a canvas with a specific canvas size of TikTok. So simply, for example, I already have my video about using this. You could go to the elements over here, add a lot of elements, let's say funny, something like that. There's a lot of graphics over here that you could add to make your output attractive. You could add this, or you could add a scenario where you're someone who's having a hard time thinking of something, and then you're going to show how to find out how to do it using this platform over here, Copy.ai. Then it's a very simple and straightforward process. Simply upload the video over here, add some funny videos, add some funny music, depending on your creativity, whether you make it as wholesome as possible, as static as possible, or even create a very meme-like promotion with this Copy.ai, you will be able to successfully attract a lot of people. And like how it works, like how it explained that it would work, the more people you invite, the more people who would subscribe to monthly, or as long as it's the first year, you will be able to earn the percentage of 45%, as you can see here. Now, unfortunately, as of this time, when I'm trying it out, it is currently closed, but you could reach them out and ask if you could still apply to be an affiliate partner. And that's basically it. That is the process of how you can start earning money with Copy.ai and how to apply with it. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.